In property management, first impressions start at the front door. If your lobby or hallways smell stale, you've already lost the tenant's trust. Most buildings rely on retail plugins that fade within a week. But at State, we use a professional approach. Our Fragrance Cube and Fragrance Central systems provide consistent, programmable ambient scenting across your entire facility. These aren't just air fresheners. These are industrial systems that make sure your building always smells premium. For specific problems like cannabis odors leaking out from units and hallways, use something like Control Cannabis Odor Eliminator that neutralizes those odors at the source rather than just masking them. And for those stinky trash cans inside your lobby or mailroom, we use Gel Genie to neutralize odors before they can spread. And we round out your common areas with high-quality hand soaps to ensure your restrooms meet every expectation. Stop overpaying for retail fixes and start using a program built for your building. Visit www.stateindustrial.com to see how we simplify your maintenance.